Good evening, sir. This is my workshop 9. I learned many things in this workshop, as like Java threads, socket programming, Java networking, server. Main thing I learned in this workshop, two chat rooms, how they are connected to each other, and how they are, we are chat each other like one person to other person, like WhatsApp we are using and other things. Uh, suppose this workshop is very hard for me because I'm stuck many places when I am doing this workshop, especially in client and the main part. And afterward I searched something and I realized that we have to create one more class about hub, so we can connect the socket there, and how it's working. So in chat room server, I just make one application that connect to the hub and listening to the server. So here I use first 50,000, and then I realize it's not working there, and then I search some ports in online. So there is post available, like actually some programmer is using this port every program, so I use that one. So afterward I create client one. Client is doing actually this program. When I'm making it, I am supposed to think about like a some game platform. So if we are thinking about the game platform, so we are thinking about, okay, this one, how two person is communicate there. So actually they are using the IP address of the computer. So I use some techniques that if client is disconnected, is giving us like a goodbye hub, and if something like send the messages, and it's generate automatically ID for the client when it's login. And one more thing I learned in this workshop about how to create nested classes throughout the program. And surprisingly I learned many things. Here is a violent boolean thing, so I learned in this workshop. And also I learned in this workshop synchronize object forms. So if we are using somewhere about class object or like something, so we are using their synchronize. So synchronize basically very tricky for me, and it's not giving me a right answer when I'm doing the parts. So I use through I take the help to the Google. So synchronize actually block in the Java is like a synchronize some objects like a message or like something. So synchronize is using there. So I use some object like a message and other things. So I use something, so I just do it synchronize there. Same like I use some final classes. So this class is just disconnect giving the disconnect message, and status message is giving us some connecting to the IDs and players that basically we are thinking about. So if I run this program, so it's giving me host name. So I if I give my host name, that already I open it, so it's giving me someone is joined chat room. This is ID that I give here in the status message. So if I took second chance to play this one, and it's giving me again this box, so I will play this again. So see if I if I choose this one, see this one is also saying someone has been joined the chat room with ID number 3. It's like a 10 chat rooms is working together in this program. I give the limit to 10 in this program. So if I one person is saying hi, both are have same message. So if saying other one hello, so it's giving me second one is saying hello. So if like you did it in your Ali and Mehboob between the talk, so I will follow that one. So if I use hello, how are you here, so same like it's giving me here this I am fine, and you. So see, every message when it's gone, it's going to throw it other person too. So like chatting like a WhatsApp, yeah, or like a messenger of Facebook or etc. So using like this is fun. So say see, this one is also showing this is fun. And if we have to see, yes it is, so it's giving me yes it is, second and second. Yeah, this is my workshop 9. Thank you for listening me. If any question, let me know. I take okay, this one is also when I connect to the server, one client and second client, and then it's when it's closed giving me like this messages, disconnect message that is come to this beautiful final class. So let me know. I take in this workshop many have to the Google. um, I take help on the main and hub.java. Hub.java I didn't explain you. So this one is actually connect to the server, and IDs that it's mentioned, it's giving through the hub. If if I will show you, so here is also one nested connection, is connection to the client. So here actually I am making like too much classes there, so I'm just thinking okay, I will try here some nested classes that I learn in back home. So I use here nested classes. So here again I use some objects here, and also some, where is it, actually this one I saw in some kind of example on the internet, hub example, and that have a nested class. So I'm just thinking like okay, I will try this thing to the client also. So I use like that. So if I show you the how it's going to run, f next. So next, so this one here, it's giving us like a 1 2 and 3 every time is going to plus, and after 100 it's giving I think 100 or like above. So it's like how many people is doing the chat, we know that. So yeah, this one is my program. So if you have question, let me know. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.